Hello future billionaires and entrepreneurs, and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you the countries which have the most number of billionaires. Before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe and drop a like. Also check out my top recommendation to make money in the description. According to Forbes, there are over 2,755 billionaires in the world, and every year there are many billionaires adding to that list. Let's see the countries with the most billionaires ranked from number 20 to number 1. At number 20 it is Sweden with 28 billionaires in the list. Coming in at number 19 is Spain with 29 billionaires making the list. At number 18 Turkey with 31 billionaires. Coming in at number 17 South Korea with 32 billionaires. At number 16 Indonesia with 32 billionaires. Number 15 Singapore with 35 billionaires. At number 14 Canada with 40 billionaires. At number 13 Australia with 43 billionaires. At number 12 Japan with 44 billionaires. At number 11 Italy with 45 billionaires. Now entering the big boy leagues, the top 10. Coming in at number 10 Thailand with 52 billionaires. Taking the number 9 spot it's Brazil with 59 billionaires. At number 8 spot France with 68 billionaires. Taking the number 7 spot it is Russia with 85 billionaires. Coming in at number 6 is Switzerland with 100 billionaires. At number 5 is the United Kingdom with 134 billionaires. Taking the number 4 spot is Germany with 141 billionaires. The top 3 countries with the most billionaires are: with the number 3 spot is India with 177 billionaires. Taking the number 2 spot is USA with 696 billionaires. And the country with the most billionaires is China with a whopping 1,096 billionaires. Comment down below which country surprised you the most. Do subscribe and drop a like. Thank you.